Welcome to today's show. And I know you're wondering, why is there a young Italian man in my kitchen? But it's not your TV, it's me, really. I'm in my own kitchen and today I'm making a cappuccino. So I'm heating up the machine right now. I put in here 4 ounces of milk. It's cold, you can feel it. See, you can feel it just came out of the fridge, cold. You want your milk cold because it takes the air better. Alright, my light's gone off. Doesn't matter if my light's gone off. Firstly, you take this and you pack it. I use Lavazza coffee for my espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes. But you can use whatever kind you want. You find a kind you like, you use it. I just ground this. 4. I've seen coffee being ground before. Okay. Scoop that down a little bit. You want to make sure your coffee is even before you press it, because otherwise it packs differently. On the outside it looks the same. You know, you're thinking, wow, this guy's a geek. Not true. Not true at all. He's one funky cool guy. This guy making the coffee, this young Italian man you see here. Fancy people have a little puck they use to push it in there, but I don't have that. Alright, I leveled it down. It's important to level it down so you get the same consistency throughout. That, put that away. I kind of clean up as I go, guys, so bear with me a little bit. So typically the ratio is 1 to 2, which means 1 ounce of espresso to 2 ounces of milk. But I'm going to put 2 ounces of espresso in these bad boy cups. That means we're going to put 4 ounces of milk. You want your milk cold, takes the air better. Over to steam. There it goes. You see this here? I'm going to move this a little bit. So you can see my up here is on an angle. You keep your plunger just below the level. You don't want too much air getting in because it just makes bubbles. There, it's coming out. You can hear it. It's not airing. Alright, that's too much. Bring it down. Oh, this is going to be nice. I can see already. But it's just my Italian experience. I know you don't think that I'm from southern Manitoba, but I am. Now you keep swirling it. You want to keep swirling, gets the big air out. And keep swirling it. Yeah, just give it a clean. You see in there? Pretty nice. Alright, well, let's keep that swirling. Turn this over to coffee, water, and cappuccino. Now they're coming out perfect. The same, so you know that your coffee is packed evenly on both sides. Alright. Pour one at a time. Now what you want to do is swirl your coffee like this up here on the sides, because then when you sip it you get that coffee flavor. Pour it in. You see see how it all came out together very nicely. Alright, now we'll do the spoon test, since that's the thing. Look at that spoon test. The spoon doesn't sink in. That means that your coffee cappuccino is perfect. We'll give it to the bride, the young signora over there. Let's see what she thinks. Here's the final test.
Perfecto, thanks to my personal barista.
Now that we've learned how to make a perfect cappuccino, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe, hit the like button. Any comments that'll help me and others learn how to make better cappuccino, please leave your comment. Later.